Welcome to Driving School WA Tutorials. In this short video, I'll be sharing why some people fail multiple times and why most of the times the candidates don't fail on the same item. As a learner driver, you are consciously competent. So what do I mean by consciously competent driver? So it means that you can drive well if you direct your thoughts and concentrate your thoughts and focus on the task that you're doing at that particular point in time. A lot of times people get carried away. They think about something else. So concentrating and directing your thoughts towards one particular task at the time will make your life a lot easier. So try driving 60 seconds at a time and try to focus on everything individually. So 60 seconds at a time, focus on everything individually and see how you go. So if you can drive perfectly for 60 seconds, try doing it about 30 times in a row. In the 2 decades of my coaching experience, people who implemented this technique, if they didn't pass, they at least outperformed any of their last driving tests that they didn't successfully pass. When you gain more experience, you are going to become subconsciously competent driver. What it means that you're not going to have to direct your thoughts and you're not going to have to focus at every single point of your driving in order to do it correctly. This is a pretty easy trick to implement. You can't go wrong, so give it a shot. Let us know how you go. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.